And it's January 9th at 7:49 a.m. right now. So let's see, as the storm goes along, will they cut off the electricity again? What's going to happen? But I'm prepared. 8:40 a.m. is coming down now. Wow, yeah. This is picked up fast. It's like raining snow, dude. Look at it. So it's 2:04 p.m. now. That's what it looks like now. Wow. They built a snowman. And I'm about to unbox my new heater, 360 heater. Now they're building a snowman across the street too. And what's building snowmans out here? It's 4:55 p.m. So here's the snow at night. Yeah. "5:49 a.m. and it just started snowing again." That's it. The end of the storm was supposed to start snowing again, so it's going. Okay, it's 7:24 a.m. on Friday. That's what it looks like now. And it's still coming down a little bit, it's still snowing. 8:22 a.m.
Witch doctors on their travels, right?
Yeah, but these guys are like 100 years old. They speak in tongues. You're new.
There's a spell in here. To
So, 10:51 p.m. I just woke up because I heard the electricity has gone off. And this is why I've been recording the whole time, to see if they would do it again in Trash, Texas. So, there you go. I think it's off. There it is, out there working already. So I think the electricity's off. Let me go check. Okay, so it's not the entire house, see. This is my room. And this is the bathroom. So it could be a breaker outside. Let me go check. Okay, so I'm out here at the junkie garage. Let me see. Let me check. I can hardly read it, dude. 27. Bedroom. Yeah, looks like. See, it's slightly off there. That one. Yeah, bedroom 2 and 3, it says those are both. So, let me go see if this is working now. For some reason, this is open. Let me go see. Okay, it's working now. So, it should be working.
Can you hear me?
Aha! Like magic. These are my electrokinesis abilities. I have turned on the light. She was in there starting an online class. I had to wake up, figure that out. So there you go. So yeah, I guess I'm going to be an electrician or a plumber since I can't find a job in animation. So there you go, it's fixed. So now I'm gonna go play Marvel Rivals Fantastic Four. I'll try the Fantastic Four characters and play Unreal Tournament 3. I'm gonna go eat a banana. Get ready. Okay, the sun is finally out. Try to get some video and some glare. Sun's finally out, and storm is pretty much over now. It definitely wasn't as bad as 2021. You know, the electricity didn't go out or anything like that. The power trip, the switch tripped downstairs. You know, I had to go in the garage and flip it over, but that was about it. So, yeah. And last minute little videos, little pictures here, and that'll be it. But I just figured I'd record it just in case the electricity would go out. Definitely wasn't as bad as 2021. That was like an entire week of no electricity, and it was much worse than this. So it was inches and inches of snow. So, but yeah, everything should be melting today, tomorrow. So today is Saturday morning. It's 8:25 a.m. now. Yeah, Saturday morning, and I'm about to go to sleep because I haven't slept yet. So thanks for watching.